Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll show you how to clean a fan-cooled jelly roll style condenser in your refrigerator. We'll explain what a condenser does, the importance of keeping it clean, and where it's located. Now, this is a view of a jelly roll fan-cooled condenser. The purpose of the condenser is to get rid of excess heat in that sealed system. The fan draws air through that condenser to keep it cool. Now, it is important to have a back panel on any fan-cooled condenser to direct the airflow through that coil. This is a better angle of the shape of that jelly roll style condenser. Tubing is encased with this steel plate to help dissipate the heat. If that becomes plugged up with pet hair or lint, it can no longer efficiently get rid of that heat, which causes the compressor to run longer, using more energy, and it will also shorten the life of that compressor as well. So it is important that we clean that condenser as required. Depending on the individual household, that could be as often as every 6 months. So just remove your back panel, inspect that coil, and if there appears to be a fair buildup of debris in there, you'll need to clean it. We suggest a brush similar to this that you can flex. And we're going to insert that in those coils to loosen up any dirt, and then we'll vacuum that up. Need help with anything else around your home? Search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through your home repairs. For more information or the parts needed for these repairs, don't forget to check out partselect.com. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like our page.